Frustrated with the igd10umd32.dll pop-up blocking Intel? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we get into the technical process for igd10umd32, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the igd10umd32, the Intel Graphics Direct3D 10 user mode driver 32-bit. It facilitates the translation of localized D3D10 API calls into hardware-specific instructions for Intel integrated GPUs. It manages localized vertex buffers and shader compilation. Corruption leads to immediate crashes in 32-bit games and creative apps. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. If igd10umd32.dll is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with igd10umd32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like igd10umd32.dll. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for igd10umd32. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for igd10umd32 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.